Hey everyone, today we're exploring the Sigma Macro 28 to 80mm lens from 1992. It's got a Canon EF mount, but autofocus and aperture control doesn't work on modern cameras like my Canon 200D. However, they do function on older Canon film cameras. It has an aperture range of f3.5 to 5.6 and a 1 to 2 macro magnification ratio. Now let's try to do some macro photography with it. So this is me trying to manually focus the lens on a flower. The focus ring is pretty sensitive, so it's pretty hard to precisely focus on your subjects. And here's another example of me trying to focus on a Buddha's belly flower. Despite all of this, I think I managed to get some pretty nice shots.